Welcome back, MLJ family. Come take a journey with me and my honey at the Rose Hotel in Rosemont. This was our room key. I love the decor of the room key. It matched the hotel fully. This is the lobby. It had two scheme color things, beautiful. This is their actual fireplace. This is a beautiful fireplace, and I love how the colors popped with it. This is us on our way going down the hallways to our room. We actually had a room that was right by the rose sign. That's my honey. We were just having a little fun. One thing with us when we do visit different hotels and resorts, we always feel that the hallway is a pop to us to let us know how our stay is going to be. Because if the hallways are beautiful, the elevators and the lights and the glam is modern, we're ready. This is our room of the entrance. You can see we have a beautiful mirror. I love the pictures that are on the wall right there. It gives it a different little theme, and they were very nice. It matched the decor of the hotel and room fully. And this is where you would actually have the iron where you can hang your coats and other items. I do apologize in advance that I did not actually open and show a lot of the majority of the things I usually do. This is where the refrigerator is and a little stand where your ice buckets and glasses are in the pull-out drawer. It's very cute. And it was very spacious. This is a lounging couch that is right in front of the window. It had a lamp in the corner. Very nice size window. We only had the view of the expressway. Then as you can kind of see right there, that was our view. And this is where the flat screen TV is with that fireplace with the little theme of a eye right there. That was so cute. And over in this area, this is where we have a table with two chairs. I love that chandelier lighting in that area. Very pretty and beautiful to match the decor in the room. Then you had a little chair with the little pillow with the writing. So cute. And then you have the pictures on the back wall. I love how the actual headboard and the foot sitting area matched. And this is me kind of walking in the entranceway, very huge. I actually then walked over to the washroom, the bathroom, and it is beautiful. This is the shower. This particular room was for accessibility, but looking at this bathroom, it is huge, and I love the color scheme, the gold that just popped in the mirror. It actually had a TV that was set. It was a double sink and it was huge. The bathroom was huge. And this was so cute. This is where the actual hair dryer is. This is me and my honey. We're getting ready to go out for the evening. Us taking a photo op. We stopped downstairs at the bar. We had some drinks. This is their special drink, the rose drink and the Moscow Mule. And then we had a little appetizer, pizza. Then we stopped at Moretti's for dinner. And we end up getting, of course, a side of mushrooms. We both end up getting the grilled salmon with the roasted, vegetables. And then we stopped the next morning at the Thorn restaurant, which is downstairs. My honey ended up getting the steak, hash brown, and over easy eggs. I got chicken and waffles. Then me and my honey, we got ready to go out for the day. We actually stopped and took a photo op with the black and white. That's me. And then my honey, he took one as well. We had our black and white on. We then stopped at Adobe Gila, which is in Rosemont. My honey actually ended up getting the guacamole and chips. I ended up getting the 3 dips with chips. And this is my drink. Yes, it is wore off, but they did give a souvenir glass and it was completely new. And then we got the skirt steak with the rice and plantain. And this was our dessert, fried ice cream. Oh my God, it was so good. Then we later stopped at Rivers Casino, out just having a little fun, enjoying time, and seeing if we can win something. Playing dancing drums. Mini 73.91 and a minor is 57.29. Major is 2,667. Look at that grand. Let's see where we can find the money.
Yeah, top. You gotta reveal 3. See the one? You got it match 3 on. What it is. Oh my God, they dirty.
And it was us playing another game where we had a little win. Us leaving Rivers Casino. Then we went back to the hotel and we got us a cocktail. This drink was so strong, and this one out of this world. And then we got a little late night snack. I got a grilled chicken Caesar salad. My honey got the fried hot wings. MLJ family, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe.